Welcome to Luca and Miguel. Enjoy the video.
You begin by securing power and data. Charge the iPhone X to at least 50% and start a backup to iCloud or Finder now. Once saved, force a restart. Press volume up, then volume down, then hold side until the Apple logo appears. This clears transient faults. Make sure to watch for immediate restarts after the logo, because that tells you whether the issue is software or hardware. If it stays on, proceed to targeted troubleshooting steps. If not, note the pattern for later. Once the device is stable, check and install the latest iOS update. This often patches kernel or driver bugs that cause reboots. Then, remove or offload apps installed just before the problem started, because corrupted apps can crash system processes. Next, reset all settings to clear misconfigured options. This preserves data but resets preferences. If restarts continue, perform a DFU restore from a computer to reinstall firmware and iOS. Make sure to test between steps to isolate the cause. Finish by checking battery health in settings. Aged or failing batteries cause spontaneous restarts, so replace if health shows severe degradation. If software restores fail, inspect analytics crash logs for repeating processes, then book Apple service or an authorized repair for board-level faults. When you perform a DFU restore, set up as new initially versus restoring a backup. This confirms whether backups reintroduce the issue. Troubleshooting tip. If restarts happen only on cellular or Wi-Fi use, test in airplane mode to separate radio-related faults from core system problems.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.